Alright, really quick, got a new tool here, and I'm curious, well, it's new to me, why don't more companies make this? Right here I have from Wiha, it's a stubby bit holder for a 1/4" bits, made in Germany. You can see soft handle. Well, let's get it out. But I mean, that's nice, and that basically makes it so every little 1/4" bit you have is now a nice little stubby screwdriver. And you can see the size compared to this vessel. You can see that the vessel is really tiny, but this one's a little bit bigger. And let's see, to the old Craftsman and Harbor Freight stuff, you can see they're all about the same size. But you know, sometimes, let me put these away. Sometimes, you know, you have a weird bit and it's in a tiny little spot and you can't get there, and you don't want to have 50 of these little screwdrivers. So that is so nice and convenient where you can just take all your bits and make them into this little stubby. Now I have this one that I got. Where'd I get this? Cobalt. So I must have got it at Lowe's, and that's nice. You know, a nice little bit holder. But it's hard to find these little stubby ones. At least I haven't seen them. Maybe they're around. Maybe you can help me out. Tell me if you've seen these before and I just been missing them. So you can see I have my little JIS bits here. So I can make that. Now it's a JIS screwdriver, which is nice. And of course I got the 208 piece set from Arcan. And now all these bits, you know, are now able to be used in this little screwdriver. So I don't know, maybe I just keep missing these and they're all over the place and I'm just blind. I am getting old. If you've seen these before, in, you know, not made by Wiha but other manufacturers, let me know. Leave it in the comments, because I haven't seen these before. So anyway, I thought it's a neat little tool and I thought I'd share it with you. And I want to know what your thoughts are. Have you guys seen these little 1/4" bits and I'm just crazy, haven't been able to see them? But in any event, hey, if you liked the video, as always, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.